Hello everyone, welcome to CAD KMC tutorials. This is the 24th video on Solidworks beginners tutorial, and in this video we are going to create a 3D model that you can see on the screen right now. Now here are some different dimensions that are required to create this 3D model. You can download this image from my blog, and the link of the blog is provided in the description of this video. So now let us move to the Solidworks, and we will go to the new part. Okay. Now first let us make the background plain white. Now from the dimensions, here first we will create this part, this L-shaped part. So here are the dimensions. Here this vertical line is equal to the diameter of the bigger circle, that is 60 mm, and this horizontal line is of 68 mm. So in SolidWorks, go to the sketch and select here the right plane. Now go to the line and create this L-shaped part like this. First create a rough sketch and then we will give the dimensions, and make sure that the sketch is close one. So now from the dimensions, this vertical line is 60 mm, horizontal line is 68 mm, and the distance in between these two vertical lines is 18 mm, and the distance between these two horizontal lines is 28 mm. So go to the smart dimensions, this vertical line 60 mm, this horizontal line 68 mm. Now the distance between these two vertical lines 18 mm, and the distance between these two horizontal lines is 28 mm. Now here from this sketch, here is the top view. So this part is extruded for this much length, and that is equals to the diameter of this bigger circle, that is 65 mm. So go to the features and select here extruded boss feature. Now here we will extrude this sketch in both the direction of the sketching plane by equal distances. So first select here the mid plane and give the depth as 65 mm. So enter here 65. Okay. Now after making this L-shaped part, now we will create this cylinder. So here you can see that the outer circle diameter is 65 mm and the depth of the circle is 48 mm. So we will go to the sketch and select here this face, make it here normal. Now here we will draw one circle and with the center on the mid plane of this line, and draw up to this end point. Exit. Now go to the features. Now here from the dimensions we can see that we have drawn the sketch on this plane, and here this cylinder is symmetrical about this part. So here we can see that this height is 28 mm, that is 48 mm. So 48 minus 28, that is 20 mm. So 20 mm is distributed equally on both the sides of this part. So 10 mm on above and remaining 38 mm on below. So go to the SolidWorks. Now here in this direction it is 10 mm, and in direction 2 enter here 38 mm. Okay. Now after that we have to create one hole of diameter 30 mm and throughout the cylinder. So go to the sketch and select here this face, make it here normal. Now draw one circle concentric to this outer circle and with the diameter of 30 mm. So select here the smart dimensions and enter here 30 mm. Now go to the features and select here the extruded cut feature. Now here we have to make throughout hole, so select here through hole. Okay. Now after making this part, we have to make this part. For that first we will create this part. So here we can see that we have to make a rectangle of 70 mm by 60 mm and with the depth of 30 mm. So by looking the top view, we have to make a rectangle of 70 mm, 30 mm and we have to extrude it for 60 mm. So we'll go to the part, go to the sketch and select here this plane, make it here normal. Now here we will draw one rectangle using the corner rectangle like this. Now we'll go to the smart dimensions. Now this length is 30 mm and this length is 70 mm, and also this rectangle is symmetric about this line. So select this point and the origin and give the distance equal to half of the 30, that is 15 mm. Now the sketch is fully defined, so we'll go to the features and select here the extruded boss feature. Now from the dimensions we have to extrude it for 60 mm and so here enter 60 mm and reverse the direction. Okay. Now we have to make this concentric cylinder, and for that we will make a sketch on this plane and with the circle of 60 mm dia, and we have to extrude it for 50 mm. Now from the top view we can see that this is 50 mm and this is 30 mm and this is equally distributed on both the sides. So here this length, or let us say this length is 10 mm and the remaining is 40 mm. So we will draw a circle of 60 mm. So we will go to the sketch and select here this face and make it here normal. Now we will select the circle and draw a circle on the center of this line or midpoint of this line and up to the end point of the line. Okay. Now the sketch is fully defined, so we'll go to the features and select here the extruded boss feature. Now here in this direction we have to extrude it for 10 mm and the remaining 40 mm we have to extrude it on another side. So in the direction 1 enter here 10 mm and on the direction 2 enter here 40 mm. Okay. Now we have to make a concentric hole and with the diameter of 25 mm and that hole is throughout. So again go to the sketch and select here this face, make it here normal. Now draw a circle concentric to this outer circle and with the diameter of 25 mm. And now go to the features and select here extruded cut feature and select here through hole. Okay. Now we'll give it appearance. So right click on the part, select appearance and select here part 2 and then select here this pink color. Okay. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. For more videos on SolidWorks tutorials, please subscribe to my channel CAD-CAMC Tutorials. Thanks.